So, Arsenal 2, Liverpool 2. Great start, fantastic first half. Obviously, we wheeled out Saka again. Absolutely ended Robbo's career. Thomas Partey at right back, I thought was a bit shaky, at fault, or partly at fault for their equalising goal. Ben White, centre back, didn't think he did too bad today. Obviously, the pass to Bukayo Saka and the goal was world class. I can't lie, that was insane. Bukayo Saka second half, didn't see him. He had 3 touches 28 minutes into the second half. Should have subbed him off probably 20 minutes earlier. But ultimately, dropping like flies again, Jez, rushing players back, not making subs until we get punched in the face. This has been a trait of super duper Mick for a long time. Top gooners walking out the stadium 10 minutes to go plus stoppage time. People are talking about robbed by VAR, this and that. Get out of here. Yeah, fact and reality is, yeah, it was probably a fair result. And not only that, 2 teams that ain't going to win the league. Arsenal history and more guys that'll be in the title. Follow Jez. And what did you make of that, mate?
Great start. Wasn't overly impressed with the lineup, but I had people talking to me, telling me not great lineup. I said, well, what else we got to go with? What are we going to go with here, people? Yeah, I'd say, yeah, Partey went to sleep with the equalising goal. Unfortunate, disappointed with that. But we were the better team in the first half, and Liverpool were there for the taking. Salah did nothing. I thought Timber had a great first half. Put him in a little box and commanded that very well. But, hey, there we go. Second half, no. I don't know, Lee, what this manager says to players at half-time. Because we came out, we looked flat again. We looked lacklustre the first half. We were pressing. Liverpool looked like a bit shell-shocked, to be honest. And I'm disappointed because they were there for the taking today. That would have been 3 teams in London today to get great results. We didn't get it. We got a 2-2. I called it a 1-1 on your show the other day, and it was a Desmond today. But this is what is costing us, man. You know, Saka gone off. Gabriel, knee injury, probably just a knock. I don't think it's anything serious. Timber went off. You know, we can't keep affording to do this, Lee. It's only a matter of time where these players are going to be absolutely out of it. You know, Calafiori's out. Nobody there today. We've got Odegaard. Didn't see him anywhere today. So, obviously, I mean, I'm not meaning on the bench or anything like that. But
No, but this is the thing, Jez. We've called out Odegaard being injured. We said, what if Saka's injured? What about other players that are injured? What if Gabriel gets injured? What if Saliba gets injured? Obviously, it's suspended. Yeah, Jez, this is a recruitment issue. Yeah, and then the manager is rushing players back.
Yep.
Yeah, and when Marino went down, holding his shoulder again, I was like, oh, no. This could be a long one. Yeah, and he got back up fair, and he scored a cracking header. Why it took 6 minutes to decide it was a goal is pathetic. Yeah, yes. But either way, they got the right decision. Yeah, but the point is, that second half, mate, yeah, for as good as we were in the first half and as poor as Liverpool were in the first half, it was roles reverse second half. Yeah, we were fucking awful second half, mate. Martinelli, by the way, yeah, I don't know if he's been told don't take the man on. Yeah, don't run down the wing, because he had chances on the counter to run down the wing and slowed it down, pass back.
Scored. Sorry to have to say this. He caused that equalising 2-2. Lost the ball. They went straight for our midfield. Our defence was in disarray. You can't allow Salah to work like that in front of goal. You know he's going to slot it, and he did. Sorry, Martinelli, mate. I don't know what's ever happened to you. Whether it is Arteta's instruction, I hope it isn't, because I would need to see you step up. You know, it's just not ambitious enough for me from Martinelli. He looks like he's, how can I put it? He looks like, sometimes now, Lee, he looks like a rabbit between the bloody heads.
I was just going to say exactly the same. He looks like a rabbit in the headlights. He don't know where he's coming or going.
He doesn't know what to do. And I think that's total confusion. I'm not just saying that's just loss of confidence. I don't know, because at the end of the day, all you had to do 2 years ago, if that ball that was passed to him, I'm talking about, He would have dragged that with his right foot, flipped left foot, gone round that defender, no question at all, straight in the box. Didn't happen today. I don't know why, what's happened. He's dropped off a cliff to me. And we're in, well, it's going to come. It's going to come, and we are getting proved right here because this guy is not good enough, manager I'm talking about, to get us over the line. They, in the second half, Liverpool were the far better dominant team.
They were comfortable.
Slot, obviously, at half time, respect to him, got them firing, and we were in trouble. We're not going to win anything, people. Get it right. We're not winning shit with this mentality, this way we're playing right now. I'm sorry to say it. I'm so disappointed. I even put my lucky shirt on today. Right.
No, do you know what it is, Jez? Yeah. This manager is defensive first. He's negative first. Yeah. We don't make subs unless we physically have to. We see Gabriel go down today. We were like, he's done. Yeah, Gabriel's probably said, yeah, cool, I'll carry on. No. Take him straight off, mate.
Yes.
Because if you keep him on for another 3, 4, 5 minutes, that could be another 1, 2, 3 weeks he's out. Yeah, you're in Timber today, went down. We knew he was done. He shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. Yeah, then all of a sudden he's out. Yeah, and people sit there and go, oh, but we got loads of injuries. Well, how comes it's only our defensive players that are injured, other than Odegaard? Yeah, how comes so many Oh, why? Because we're so fucking defensive. Yeah. Why is it Zinchenko didn't get a game today? He put the boy on today. Well done, Skelly. He played all right when he came on. I can't lie. Yeah. But at the same time, he shouldn't have been thrust into that position in the first place. Yeah. Then he brings in Ethan on again. Yeah, Jesus. My dad texted me. I swear down, Jez. My dad texted me and said, Jesus. I'll tell you exactly what he said. Yeah. My dad texted me. Yeah. Right. I went for a piss. Right. I come back. I see the text messages. Yeah. My old man texted me this. This was when we were winning 2-1, by the way. Yeah. Right. He goes, you're wasting so much time. You need to finish the team off. You need to finish them off. I put, we've been awful second half. We ain't going to win this. He goes, neither of these two look like champs. What the fuck are you wasting time? It's costing you for. Yeah. I put, Man City will win 5 in a row, only serious club. He goes, yep, not sure what Arteta brings to this club. I put, Saka's touched the ball 7 times second half. But at the point where I was writing that, it was 3 times, 28 minutes into the second half. 3. Then he touched the ball 4. Right? He then goes, Saka got man of the match. I put, he was shit second half. Unbelievable first half. Shit, how do you get man of the match? No. Man of the match in that game. Yeah, man of the match in that game, I would have given it Kanate. Yeah, for Arsenal, I would have said Gabriel. Yeah. He then goes, Jesus made a good impact, mate. Got booked after the game.
Yeah. See that.
This is my old man that don't watch football like that anymore.
Stupid man. Walk away. Game is over. I never understand why players have this stupid mentality that after a game, they go up to the referee, they give it a large, yeah.
Just walk off.
Knowing full well in the letter of the law, all the time the referee, right, is on the park, yeah, you can get booked. Even after the bloody 90 minutes.
Even walking down the tunnel, Jez. You've been a referee. You know you can book somebody even in the dressing room.
All the time that referee is at the ground, right? Whether it's the Sunday morning down the park, yeah. And I've booked a player once. I did book him, right? Walking into the changing rooms, right, on a park game on a Sunday morning, right? Yeah, this guy decided to have a go at one of the linos, and I said to him, walk away, my friend, walk away, or I will book you for dissent. And he kept it, giving it, and I booked him. And their team was like, you can't book him. You can't. I said, all the time I'm here.
Until you get in your car and drive out that car park, you can get booked. Yep. It's an absolute disgrace. Listen, Jez, it is what it is.
He's a professional bloody footballer.
And let's be real. Nobody can moan about the ref, mate. Anthony Taylor won us 2 cup finals.
I thought he's good today, the referee, to be honest.
I thought he did well today. But again, they'll cry about the VAR with the 29 goal and all of this and that. Yeah, I didn't hear it. But Craig said to me that the whistle was blown 3 seconds before 29 threw Trent in the goal. I don't actually think that was a foul. Yeah, but I think that Kivior jumping over Gravenberch, I thought that was a foul. But apparently, yeah, that's what the foul was. And he blew the whistle 3 seconds before that happened with our goal. There was this lab. Who cares? Let's stop blaming referees. That referee's a good referee. I don't care what anyone tells me. Yeah. he reffed that game very well today, Jez. Yeah. Listen, we can moan about refs all you like. Yeah. 5 p.m. tomorrow, we'll go through this with a fine tooth comb. But shout your channel out, man. Arsenal history and more. What you got coming up on your channel, mate?
Well, I'm going to do your channel tomorrow, the weekly podcast show, which I love doing. That's the best show of the week, without a question. And then I might do a match review tomorrow. And then obviously 6 o'clock Wednesday, the weekly footy chat. Or might be Thursday. Yeah, I don't know. It'd be Wednesday or Thursday, whenever. But yeah, there we go, man. And onwards and upwards for the Arsenal. But no, we went sideways today. Hi. But yeah.
Yeah, sack Arteta, sack Edu, and Kroenke out. We're out.
And Arteta out, you prick.